Go back in the bush. Go on. Wow, look at him. Look at that tail. Man, it's a big tail. It's freaking like 1200 long. Oh, you can't go there. I've got to get past you. Go on. How am I going to get past you? You've got to put out warning signs. Goanna ahead. Now get in the bush. Why don't you sunbathe over there next to the tree? Go on. Go on. You get rid of a goanna without getting chased. Pretty small track. You make some good tucker. Well, you ain't with that fat. Go on. Go on.